Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. Friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very attractive and a very stylish collection of blouses for you, and I hope you will like this pure and attractive fashion video of my channel also. So please guys, watch this pure and stunning video of my channel till the end, and in this video you can see such different type of ideas, such different types of collection, and such different type of blouses designs and ruffle blouses. So please, if you want to see more about fashion ideas, and if you want to see the upcoming fashion videos earlier, keep subscribing my channel and please press the bell icon to see more uploads and to see the upcoming fashion. Friends, take care of yourself and your family as well, and keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing it, as we all know that we wear these type of blouses on our upper body part. We all know that it's a very childish question, so it's a request that subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos, because in this video you can see it's a different type of ideas, it's different designs, it's different type of crochet work on your blouses and etc. So pleated shirts, as you can see that in this video you can see such type of pleated shirts also. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And it's not necessary that you wear these type of blouses or this type of collection as well. So guys, if you want to see any type of fashion video, like any type of fashion jewelry accessory, so you can tell me in the comment box, because as I have told you that I don't have any issue whether you want to see any type of fashion video. So please keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing it, and please comment me in the comment box that if you are interested in my video or not, or you want to see any type of fashion video, as I've told you before and as I've told you in my earlier videos, that whether you want to see any type of fashion video, so you can tell me. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact fashion for you. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And guys, if you want to see any type of fashion videos, so you can tell me, because as I've told you in my earlier videos that if you're effective my video, if you're interested, so you can tell me and subscribe to my channel, and if you're interested on my video or not, tell me in the comment box. So take care of yourself and your family as well, and as you can see in my video, you can see such different type of work and some printed shirts also, and such type of crochet work blouses as well. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family as well, and remember me in your special and beautiful prayers. Hope to see you soon inshallah with a new video and with new fashion. Khuda Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, see you soon guys, bye.